A new wave of powerful AI video tools has arrived. Today, I am showing you the absolute best options available right now. But that is not all. I also found a way to bring all these free AIs together into one custom app. You can describe the video you want to create, and it will recommend the right tool, compare them for you, or even show you how to combine several of them to get better results. If you do not want to miss out on the latest tech, subscribe to TechVibes and leave a like. Let us start with Arena. It gives you free access to a massive catalog of AI models for generating text, code, images, and video. Open the direct chat and select the model list to see your options. You can filter by what you want to create. If you are unsure which is strongest, open the leaderboard and check the rankings. Switch to battle mode, add your prompt, and send it. Arena generates 2 clips at once so you can compare the output. It is a fantastic way to test the latest models, though keep in mind it has a daily usage limit. Next is Meta AI. This tool is completely free and unlimited for video generation. You can create all kinds of images and videos. Ask for an image, pick your favorite, and ask Meta to edit it or turn it directly into a video. It is a powerhouse, but it does add a small watermark to its videos. This is the pattern I kept running into. Each AI is great at a specific job, but they all have small drawbacks. Keeping track of all these strengths and limits gets difficult, so I found a way to organize every free AI in one place. We are going to use a platform called Base 44. By writing a single prompt, we can build a central app where all these tools live together. I have left the link in the description. Copy the prompt I provided. In the box, tell it to build a complete app to save and organize every AI tool you find. Make sure to turn on the Plan First option. This lets the AI develop the structure before it starts building. Send the prompt and wait a few minutes. Base 44 will analyze your request and generate the entire app. Now we need to add the right data. I have compiled everything about today's best options into a file you can download from my website. First is Google Flow. It is excellent for generating free images and videos. Use the character feature to create a protagonist that stays consistent across your projects. Go to the generation area, select your image model, and create your scene. Then, turn it into a video using the VO 3.1 Lite model. It has a daily limit, but it resets every day. I also included Symphony Creative Studio. It produces high-quality images and videos with a generous limit of 200 videos per week. To get these tools into your app, go to the dashboard in Base 44, select Data, then Tool. Delete the default list, choose Import, and upload the file from my website. Refresh the page and all your tools are now active with the correct details. To ensure all these apps run smoothly and your connection stays fast, I highly recommend using NordVPN. It prevents your internet provider from throttling your connection and keeps your streaming activities private. You can find the installation link in the description and the comments below. Once your app is set up, the features are incredible. Find My Tool includes a quiz where you describe your ideal video, and it recommends the best match. My favorite is Compare Tools. Add 3 models, and it builds an updated comparison showing which one is stronger for your specific task. I even used the chat in Base 44 to redesign the visual style of the site, making it look cleaner with better animations and clearer labels for every tool. Finally, check out WAN. It is completely free and unlimited for images and videos. It is perfect for adding background audio and creating natural animations. It even keeps your characters consistent. You will see a credit section, but you do not need it. Leave that off and the cost stays at 0. If you do turn it on, you get 10 free faster generations every day. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to all these free AI tools, go to my website linked in the description. Open the PDF guide section to download all the information from this video. This saves you from having to type anything manually. You will also find a free AI chat there for quick questions and a model that generates high-quality images. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching TechVibes.